ArtSea, and today I'm going to be doing a knife review on a folding knife from gearbest.com. And it looks like this. Okay, so the knife looks like this, and it's pretty nice. It's the real name of it on gearbest.com is called a King Camp folding knife with frame lock. It's gray-black. As you can see, it's gray and with a black handle. It is about $20, and the blade is made from high carbon stainless steel. It's very sharp. So to close it, you press right here, and then you fold in, and it'll lock again, and you just press it. It's pretty easy. So what's nice about it, it has this little clip right here, so you can clip it to your pants or something, or your pocket. It also has this hole right here, which is suitable for it's like a key ring. You keep it on a keychain. It's pretty light, which is nice. It has an aluminum handle. It has oil-proof features, and yeah, it's really nice for outdoor survival. That's anything outdoorsy. Like, I know a lot of you guys probably carry these around with you because I know a lot of my friends do. So yeah. There you go. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer them.